Welcome back to the channel. I'm Alpha Quant. Today, I'm doing something exciting. I interviewed 5 traders, each using a different technical indicator as the core of their strategy. From RSI scalping to Ichimoku trend tracking, these traders share their playbook, and then I ranked them based on performance, psychology, and risk control. Stick around to see who comes out on top and who's relying too much on outdated tools. Let's meet the lineup. Zara, the RSI sniper. Dex, the MACD swinger. Lin, the Fibonacci seeker. Hiro, the Ichimoku strategist. Cruz, the volume flow analyst. One by one, they'll walk us through their full approach, from asset choice to mindset.
Hi, I'm Zara. I trade Ethereum and Bitcoin on 4-hour charts using RSI. I focus on spotting overbought and oversold zones, shorting above 70 and going long below 30. I avoid low-volume altcoins. My stop loss is 2% max, and I rarely risk more than 1.5% per trade. I look for 1:2 or better risk-reward setups and journal all trades. My edge: quick reaction time and mental discipline. RSI isn't perfect in sideways markets, but I filter my trades with volume and sometimes pair it with moving averages.
Hey, I'm Dex. I use MACD with 50 and 200-day moving averages on 12H and daily charts. I mostly swing trade ETH, SOL, and MACD. I look for bullish MACD crossovers, but only when it aligns with volume confirmation and price-breaking trend lines. I aim for 10 to 20% profit targets. My risk per trade is 1%, and I trail stop loss as the move goes in my favor. I don't trade every day. I wait for clean setups, and I stay away from news days or low liquidity. My mindset: patient, steady, focused.
Hi, I'm Lin. My strategy is based on Fibonacci retracement levels, especially the 0.618 and 0.786 zones. I draw levels from recent swing highs and lows and use them to enter pullbacks. I trade mostly SOL, AVAX, and ADA on 4H and daily charts. I combine fibs with EMA 100 and 200. I risk up to 1.2% per trade with 1 minute and 2.5 seconds target ideally. I also use support resistance and RSI divergence to confirm entries. The thing I love: structure. I don't chase breakouts. I wait for price to come to my level.
I'm Hiro. My entire system revolves around Ichimoku Cloud. I prefer trending markets, especially BTC and ETH dominance charts. I focus on weekly and daily timeframes. I only enter when price is above the cloud, Tenkan-sen crosses Kijun-sen, and Chiku's span is free. My trades are rare, but when they come, I ride the full wave. I trail profits and never go against the trend. My psychology? Calm and neutral. I sit out in sideways markets. Some find Ichimoku complex, but to me, it's clean and powerful.
I'm Cruz. I'm a volume-based trader. I scalp BTC and ETH using order flow, liquidation maps, and volume delta. I use a combination of tools like exocharts and bookmap to see where large players are entering. I wait for liquidity zones, then fade moves if I see stop hunts. I trade 1 to 3 times a day, in and out fast. My edge? Real-time volume awareness. I know where whales are likely to trigger moves. Risk? Always under 1%. Mindset? Aggressive but controlled. Data doesn't lie.
Now that we've heard from each trader, let's break it down using 5 criteria. Win rate, risk to reward ratio, drawdown consistency, adaptability to market conditions, execution psychology. Let's go one by one. Zara is solid and structured. RSI is a great tool for mean reversion, but it suffers in trending or choppy conditions. Her discipline saves her from big losses, but her edge is limited when volatility spikes. Dex stands out with patience. MACD isn't flashy, but with trend alignment, it works. He filters fakeouts and waits for setups. Long term, very sustainable. Lin uses structure well, but fibs can be subjective. She does add good confluence with EMAs, though she might get shaken out in fast markets where levels break quickly. Hiro is a high time frame sniper. Very low frequency, very controlled. but Ichimoku is less effective in ranging markets. Missing month of action is a big trade-off. Cruz is clearly the most advanced in terms of reading the tape. His real-time tools give him a serious edge, but it's demanding and high stress. Scalping consistently at that level is rare. He's built for it. So, here's how I'd rank him in terms of long-term profitability and trader maturity. First place medal number 1, DEX, MACD swinger. Balanced, patient, emotionally detached. MACD plus MAs plus confirmation equals solid structure. Second place medal number 2, Cruz, volume flow. Incredible skill and edge, but high execution pressure. Great short term. Top tier with experience. Third place medal number 3, Zara, RSI sniper. Reliable strategy and strong discipline. May need to expand tools to survive volatility. Sports medal number 4, Lin, Fibonacci seeker. Good structure, but fibs alone are a bit loose. Needs more data-driven backup. Sports medal number 5, Hiro, Ichimoku strategist. Impressive method and patience, but missing many opportunities by sitting out sideways phases. Each of them has something to offer, but only the ones who adapt and manage risk thrive. What do you think? Would you trust volume data or stick to the classics like RSI and MACD? Drop your ranking in the comments. And if you like this breakdown, stay tuned. More interviews, strategy analysis, and ranking episodes are coming. Until next time, trade smart, stay sharp,